Hello everyone, this is Simran Sunil Kharwade, final year MBBS student, and you are watching Becoming Doctor. So in this video, I have asked some questions about VMGMC Solapur to an intern doctor in VMGMC Solapur, Madhura Devi Deshmukh. So stay tuned. Hi Madhura.
Hello Simran,
Introduce yourself please.
I am Madhura Devi Deshmukh. I am studying in Dr. VMGMC Solapur. I am doing internship this year and I am from batch 2020.
Okay. So tell me something about your hostel campus.
So in our hostel campus, there are 4 hostels for girls and 4 hostels for boys. The distance between hostel campus and our college is approximately 2.5 kilometers. So you may need your own vehicle for that. For first year student, that they don't know about the area, Solapur area, so they do use autos, and after that, from second year, they do use vehicles.
Okay.
So you do have a choice to use autos or your own vehicles.
And what about your in time?
So basically, boys don't have in time, but girls hostels do have in time, except for the interns hostel. So for girls hostel, in time is approximately 9 to 9:30. For first year student, it's 9 p.m. and for second and third years, it's 9:30 p.m.
Okay. और कुछ सेफ्टी रिलेटेड इश्यूज वगैरह होते हैं?
Actually, our hostel campus is a lot more secure than other places. So there are security guards all over in the hostel. There are security guards below every hostel.
Okay. Madhura, tell me about your college campus.
So our college campus we can divide it into 2 parts. Like first is for first year, second year, which consists of non-clinical subjects. It occurs in our college campus, but after on, when there are clinical postings, our lectures are held in hospital campus. So in our hospital campus, there are 2 lecture halls, and for first year, second year, that is for non-clinical subjects, there are halls for every subject in college.
Now about academics.
So academics in our college is quite good. So our practicals and clinical postings are very regular. Attendance is taken regularly. Actually, patient flow is very good in our hospital. So on OPD basis, there are at least 150 to 200 patients for every OPD, and there are inpatient flow is also very good.
Overall hospital is very good.
Yes, you can say that.
What about your college events?
So there are 2 major events which include Sparsh and Manomay. So Sparsh is our cultural fest, and and Manomay is our Ganpati festival, which is going to happen in a few days. There are many other programs as well. There is cultural hall. So we can call it as a hobby hall. So which is named as Dhondiba, where you can practice your hobbies. You can share your hobbies with others. It's just like a hobby club.
Okay.
And actually, this Manomay and Sparsh both have very major events of sports.
And what about your city, Solapur city? How is it?
Actually, Solapur city is smart city, but the thing is, the climate here is very hot. In summers, at least the temperature goes about 43 degrees Celsius over here.
Oh.
So you must need coolers.
Okay.
And about the connectivity, you can see that there are railway station. Solapur railway station is there. Then we can use ST buses. Travels are also available here, and there is only one flight, I guess, which is from Solapur to Goa. So if there are any students from Goa, they can use the flights.
Okay. And any other issue? कुछ problem है क्या कि ये bother करेगा students को? Like
I think it's for the I think it's for the first year students. The city is very new, and you don't have your own vehicle, so you can't explore the city very well. And the thing is, our dissection hall is in our hostel campus.
Okay.
So whenever there is dissection, you have to come from college to hostel campus. So I think that's the drawback, because hostel campus is quite large. You will get many facilities, like you will get gym there, then you will get libraries, I mean reading rooms there. So it's good.
Okay.
Campus is quite good and large.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स ने VMGMC सोलापुर क्यों चूज़ करना चाहिए? व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस?
I think you should choose VMGMC because academics is really good. Clinical postings are really good. They will help in your experience. And the thing is, it is more convenient for students all over the Maharashtra because Solapur is connected to South India too. So it's not that far away from South India. I mean, it's convenient.
Thank you so much, Madhura, for coming on this channel and for helping us.
Thank you so much, Simran. I'm also glad that you invited me for this interview.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.